Now, if this doesn't look like a dangerous area, I don't know what does, because this is underneath a patio, and you can see there's all kind of stuff in here. And so here is where we are going to mount the sensor that cuts across the door. We're putting an extra luminaire here. And as you can see, this is a very treacherous looking area. So we'll be adding some luminaires in the back where it's dark. The sensor is going to go somewhere behind that plate in this area. And happy, happy, joy, joy. Here is our existing switch assemblies. And our controls will basically be in this area. Now the luminaires are attached to back plates and have line cords, and the reason for this is I want it to be easy to remove the luminaires to work on the ceiling of that place, if you will, without having to disassemble the lamps in any way, shape, fashion, or form. Last but not least, we're putting in a little luminaire, once again, on a back plate to make things easier for people. Okay, I'm hiding from the sensor, but here you can see our little test setup, and I will be masking taping this sensor up somewhere in here to find the best location to position it to hold the lights on after the IR sensor triggers it when somebody comes in. Okay, curiously, the sensor ends up, well, you can't see it, but the sensor ends up over there, not over here as I had originally anticipated. So it'll get anybody walking past this opening. So it's going to catch you headed that way. It's going to catch you in the back. It'll catch you through some of this rubbish too. So that's about the perfect spot. So testing our little microwave sensor, and I have the test set up here. I've discovered that anywhere from about this line, it's going to see me. To about this line, it's going to see me. So this gives this little shelf area a problem, but remember, we've got an IR sensor that's going to be sitting right there. That's got a long field of view into here. Now, of course, anywhere in the back, the microwave sensor works, and there it is.